bunch of RS6s in Banff.
Well, yeah, today, we came all the way from Spain only for 1.5 days, and we're here celebrating. Well, there's a celebration of the 20th year of RS6 since the first generation that is back there, and we are like a little bit doing or living the experience of the RX6 lifestyle, let's say, a little bit like that. So awesome. It's quite fun.
Alright, I'm going to have Harrison tell you a little bit about what happened this morning.
So this morning we woke up at camp, or I did at least, and Steven and Lindsay decided to go into town and check out where Lindsay had spotted a couple RS6s yesterday. She had no idea what was going on. Steven had no idea what was going on. But once they got there, they kind of saw the RS6s were still around. They saw someone was vlogging in front of them. So we rushed from where we were to get there as quickly as we could, which ended up being about 10 minutes. And we caught them in time before they ended up leaving. So Audi is doing a 20 years of the RS6 event here in Canada, where they invited like TV channels, some TV people, and then also some influencers and like YouTubers out to drive all of the generations of the RS6 and kind of give their explanations and reviews of them, which was super cool. So we just showed up out of the blue. They really enjoyed Evan's RS6, and I think that they thought the Cayenne was really cool, and at least it's still in the badge family. So we were kind of welcome there. We felt really welcome. They were very nice to us. They were stoked to see what we're doing, and yeah, can't wait to see more of them hopefully in the future.
Okay, update. So the electrical system gave me a major malfunction, and then shortly followed by a transmission malfunction. The car went into neutral and I was forced to pull over on the side of the road. And so now we are both on the side of the road. We have no cell service. There is a town about 50 kilometers from here we're going to try to make it to. I can't drive the car, but we are going to attempt to tow the RS6 behind the Porsche. So hopefully that works out. We'll see.